Hey, watchmaker, who you talking to? Hey, watchmaker, I know who I heard you calling, but who you talking to? Hey, watchmaker, the man riding the wave. Got down? Waving it right back. Waving it right back, man. I don't see nothing wrong with riding this wave. I don't see nothing wrong with walking on this water. Hey, watchmaker, been a little while, but I still ain't afraid of no ghosts.
Trinitron9 sounding real good, brother. Well, Trinitron9, when you're walking on water and riding the wave, sound all kinds of good knowledge with my friend, T9. Your watchmaker in the Springs, right back.
Right back, watchmaker. You still rocking that shock wave, or you got your beans, though? What's going on? You sounding good out here in Coney Island? Are you still rocking your shock wave, or you in your bean right about now? Break, break, break.
Hey, T9, I'm still on the beam, shock wave. Still got that shock wave in mind. Haven't had time to get that beam up. You got everything here, just haven't had time. Hey, Trinitron9, your watchmaker looking great.
Hey, well, you're doing your thing, man. That shock wave's definitely working for you. That shock wave's definitely working for you, man. It's putting you up in the red. Sounding all types of good out here in Coney Island. It's nice and sunny, man. We both playing in the water. Hey, watchmaker, we both in these deep waters of Coney Island. Break, break, break.
New Jersey, Trinitron9, your watchmaker, Northwest Florida, goddamn.
Hey, watchmaker, there's a lot of people out there, but I only got you and my radio on my side of town. Hey, watchmaker, it might be a whole lot of people out there, but it's your show out here in Coney Island. Hey, watchmaker, Trinitron9, riding the wave. Got down?
Trouble over there in New York. An instigator we take care. Made a fine trip that go around too. No two ways about it. We're in the Bighorn. 2-9. Watchmaker red bag.
Take care, watchmaker. I heard somebody else come up in there also. Who else gonna put it out here in Coney Island? Cause I don't see nothing wrong with walking on this water, and I don't see nothing wrong with riding this wave. Trinitron9, got down?
My friend over there, 666, gets on. Got sharpshooter down there in Fort Walton Beach. They all got to get some airtime too. Your watchmaker throwing straight back.
So give him some airtime, watchmaker. Hey, watchmaker, give him some airtime then, because it's your show in Coney Island. So put that mic down and give him some airtime, watchmaker. Put that mic down, because it's all your show out here in Coney Island. Watchmaker, the man riding the wave. Get down? Here I come again, riding the wave, walking on the water, got my hands in the air. Trinitron9, Coney Island, saying I don't see nothing wrong with riding this wave, and I don't see nothing wrong with walking on this water. Who gonna clean up my radio? Hey, Top Gun Mobile, look around Coney Island. Hey, Top Gun Mobile, look around Coney Island. Trinitron9, riding the wave. Break, break, break. I'll get back on Top Gun. Let me get out of here. Trinitron9 in the deep waters. I don't see nothing wrong with riding this wave. And I don't see nothing wrong with walking on this water. Trinitron9, Coney Island, got down? Let me see if watchmaker's still out there. Let me see if watchmaker still got some conditions out there. Hello, radio. Hey, watchmaker, you still got any conditions? Because I'm still playing in the water. I'm still riding the waves, and I still ain't afraid of no ghosts. Break, break, break.
Watchmaker red bag.
Watchmaker, 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 watchmaker. Here I come cleaning our radios. Watchmaker, watchmaker, watchmaker. Here I come cleaning our radios. Break, break, break.
It's a train wreck over here, T9. Every now and then I get you over the top, and then Texas comes in. Y'all neck and neck. Hey, Trinitron9, you take care of my friend. Stay well.
Alright, watchmaker, no doubt about it. He said it's a train wreck every once in a while, but I'm putting water in everybody's radio. Hey, watchmaker, you said it's a train wreck out there, but I'm putting water in everybody's radio. Hey, watchmaker, Trinitron9 with the Coney Ellen wave just got down.
Hey, 410 on the water cool. Hey, T9, 410 on the water cool radio.
Trinitron9. I'm about at Trinitron9 up there on the East Coast. I know we ain't got a lot of conditions, but I want to see if I can eat.
I heard you, watchmaker. I'm taking somebody's call right now.
Trinitron9, sling, shot in the lakes on the...
Right back, slingshot. Right back, slingshot. Slingshot in the lakes. Slingshot in the lakes. You got conditions. Hello, slingshot. Hello, slingshot. Yeah, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Break, break, break.
Yeah, right there, back Trinitron9 up there on Coney Island on the East Coast. Yeah, we just playing around on the ground playing right now, but maybe we'll...
See you bucket in these lakes. I'm trying.
Trinitron9, good to hear you in there. Slingshot with these weak conditions in the lakes is right back.
Alright, slingshot. You sounding good, man. The ground plane's working. The ground plane's working. Take care, slingshot. Have a good week coming up. Enjoy the rest of this one. Slingshot, your Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, playing in the water. Bye, bye, bye.
Good to hear you up in there, man. Slingshot, Great Lakes, Central Michigan. I'll see you.
Click, click, slingshots. Click, click, shinks. It's a tongue twister sometimes. Click, click, slingshot. I heard somebody else trying to get up in there also. I heard somebody else trying to get up in there also. I ain't afraid to ride this wave. I ain't afraid to walk on this water. And I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen with the afternoon wave just got down.
How about a slingshot? How about a slingshot around the great?
Put it on you later, put it on you later, put it on you later.
Hey, Trinitron9, when you walking on water, slingshot over here. Ground plane is ready to live.
And that's a slingshot ground plane Roger. Slingshot ground plane Roger. And I don't see nothing wrong with walking on the water. I don't see nothing wrong with riding this wave. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Bye, bye, bye.
No copy, no get back. 554, man. This fiberglass ground